You know they happen every time. I'm sorry, never happen anytime. Now I know fit explain a more. I see the fire in your eyes, the same fire burning in my eyes. This one now you make a move. Yeah. Sure you they happen for your mind, the way they happen for my mind. Cause truly I don't want mistake come more.
Hey guys, the hair I will be using is from myfirstwig.com, and then the hair came with DHL. I will be using their Lily coiling clip-in extensions 3B and the 3C. I will be using their 12 and the 14 inches, and I will just go ahead and show you guys the package.
Make you marry me. You tell me, say you're not ready for that job.
What I will do now is just to go ahead and co-wash the hair. I will be using Argan oil of Morocco, the conditioner, and I will also be using the oil. This conditioner and the oil, guys, really very good.
I love you, die. I need you, die. Baby, me, Joe. Please come be my wife. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tembelole, mommy, me, marry me, oh baby.
Really very soft. The conditioner is bomb.com. The conditioner is good for our natural hair, and the conditioner is also good for hair extensions.
Baba, me, you know I love you. I'm gonna give up on me. Yeah.
Really very soft. I will just go ahead and place all the hair inside DHL bag, and I will wait for some minutes. After 20 minutes, I will go ahead and rinse off the conditioner, and it allows the hair to dry up till the next day. And the following morning, I already have old cornrows. I will be using my old cornrows, and I will first of all start with their 14 inches. I will be using their 4 bundles because I want the hair to be very full. I will be using their 2 14 inches and 2 12 inches. One pack of clip-in came in 6 clip-ins, and I will go ahead and show you guys step by step.
You tell all the girls to know it makes you feel good. Oh yeah, I know you're out of my league, but that would scare me away. No, no. You carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. You built your wall so high that no one could climb it. But I'm gonna try to let me see beneath.
If you want to leave out your hair, 2 bundles will be enough. And if you don't want something too full, 2 bundles will be enough. And this one is 2 bundles. And I'll just go ahead and start with the 3rd bundle, 12 inches.
You're beautiful to let me see beneath your perfect. Take it off now, boy, take it off now. I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight? Oh,
this one is 3 bundles, and I will just go ahead and start with the 4th bundle, 12 inches. You guys know how I love full hair, especially when it is coiling hair. I love my coiling hair to be really very full. And then when clipping in the 4th one, I will just go ahead and start from the front side, as you guys are seeing right now, because I don't want to leave out my hair. Just watch, you will follow up.
Just like the sun, light up the earth, the light of my life, yeah. The only
I am done clipping in everything. I will secure the front side with bobby pins because I don't want you to cover my face.
one I ever seen with a smile so bright, yeah. Just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my whole scenery with your astonishing beauty. You carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You built your
I'll just go ahead and use the styling comb to just push up the hair a little bit.
wall so high that no one could climb it. But I'm gonna touch your light.
And I will just fluffy the hair with my hands, guys. The hair is really very soft. That conditioner is great. This hair is really very pretty. I love the fullness, and I wanted something very full. That is why I used all the 4 bundles. If you want something very simple, 2 bundles or 2.5 bundles will be enough for you. I love this hair. This hair is very soft. Don't forget that this hair is from my firstwig.com. Lily coiling clip-in extensions, 3B and the 3C. The color, natural color. Inches I used 12 and the 14 inches, 2 12 inches, 2 14 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up. Share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.